Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Menteri badai pe jagatanat pule puthi jongka sarkar Jylla ubat lakmen Rymbui uloong bakarai baka sarkar kalasim ban plino iki Skul kadai namar babu naki khna khamtam hakithai nongkendong kimyo ban pule lengba ka online class. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang menteri uloong bakarai ban pli iki Skul kalong hadin ka jingai jingmut na kinong hikai ki kime ki kpa bat ki khna Skul khamtam ki bahai ki thai nongkendong namar bakilapan pau baka jingpule lengba ka online class kamla ban ai ka jinghikai ka bapura ya ki khna Skul. Hennen kasngi na kaliang katanat pule puthi jongka Jylla kalapan mi ika jingpentem ban Naduh ka Tarik u Risaw ki khna ki ba pule Haka kerdan kelas 1 hadu kelas 5 haki jakasor kila ban 1 saka Skul lane kila ban peteng ya ka online class ka jongki. Handrai na kamenta ki khna ki ba pule Haka kerdan kelas 6 hadu kelas 12 kila ban pelong no katba haki thai nongkendong ki khna ki ba pule Naduh ka kerdan kelas 1 hadu kelas 12 lasha ban pli ki Skul harangkat daga jingbot perking ki protocol balapan mi daga tanat ka kwai ka khia.
Yesterday, the Education Department has issued a notification wherein the class 1 to class 5 in the urban areas, the student can have a school visit or online could continue. But for the class 6 to class 8 and class 11 to class 12, it is open. And for rural area, from 1 till 12 is allowed to open, subject to the protocol which issued by the government. So this is taking into consideration that there are many parents, many teachers, and many students. They complain that especially in rural area, that online is not suffice for them to get the true knowledge. So they urge that at least the physical classroom should be resumed, but following the protocol of the as prescribed from time to time. That's why we have allowed, but this permission is subject to review by the different deputy commissioner, the civil, or the managing committee from time to time. It depends upon the case-to-case basis.
That's what
See, the virus, they have been vaccinated, and many have been double vaccinated, and and I hope that in the coming days, in coming months, that all the citizens of the state who have who are 18 and above, they will complete their vaccination. And regarding the school, as you know that for the children below 18 years, till date there is no vaccine. But physical class is a must. And we have seen all over the country that many states, they have opened the schools. And many states, they have opened the institution. So we also, from the state government, taking into consideration the need of the student, taking into consideration the need of the colleges, so we have to start. So we have allowed this, and as I said, that I cannot rule out that the possibility of some the surfacing of some case somewhere, but that should not generalize everything. Yes, we have learned in this last 1.5 years how to take care and how to manage, and I have seen that many of the schools, they know how to manage, and if it is the case, they will close for some time, then restart. That is a different issue altogether.